Welcome back to Dickie's Beer Reviews. Today I'm actually reviewing this boat that I bought on Amazon. I'm going to run this boat in my pool with my grandson. I'll put a link down in the description of where I bought this, but anyway, it's called Exciting Model Racing Boat Remote Control High Speed Surfing. The boat only works in water, but it's got these rechargeable batteries, it's got the remote control. Not suitable for children under 14. Well, my grandson's 2. Alright, instructions. 1 battery. There's a USB charger. Here is a second battery pack. This looks like 4 AA's in there, but I don't know. Alright, it says sports game. Sports game on the top. It's got 2 propellers in the back. There's a picture, it says don't put your hand in the propellers, so I won't do that. Or is that the antenna? How the fuck do you open this thing up? Alright, I'm gonna find out. So there's the boat. There's the antenna. Alright, the remote was a little hard to get out of there. So, alright, for the remote, there's no screw in there to hold this on. It just pops off. But it does take 2 AA batteries that are not included. So I have some. Alright, I got it on, thankfully. The instructions say you have to charge the battery first. So that's, yeah, this plugs into this. Into a 110, 220 electrical power outlet. The full charge will take 3 hours. Do I have to charge both batteries or just one? Is this just the backup? I guess this is just a backup. First, be sure to turn the power switch on the boat off and then install the battery. I still gotta figure out what to do with this red antenna. Okay. So that flips up. Alright, it's off. Where are you supposed to put the antenna? It doesn't show the antenna on here anywhere. It says there's supposed to be a PVC thing for this or something, I don't know. Alright, I'm not seeing a PVC tube. Am I miss? Oh, there it is. Yep, and then that goes down in there. I don't know if you're supposed to leave it hanging out. It shows a picture of it like turned like this. Alright, I'm just going to use any old plug, I guess. Plug the USB in. And I'll charge this battery. It says 3 hours to charge it. Darn it, I wanted to play with this sucker out of the box. So yeah, you got to push both of these up at the same time. If you want to turn right, you just push up on that one. If you want to turn left, you push up on that one. If you want to go backwards, you pull down on both. Alright, 3 hours I'm going to charge this sucker and then we'll go from there. See you in 3 hours. Alright, I'm about to put this boat in the water and see what it can do. Okay, so here's the I'm having trouble getting this fucking I'm getting styrofoam all over. It's not coming out of the package very well.